Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can transfer funds from your Deriv account into your MT5 application, or we can also call it how to transfer funds from your Deriv account into your DMT5 account. After making deposit on Deriv, you need to transfer the fund into your DMT5 account for you to be able to trade with it. In our last video I showed you how to deposit on Deriv using cryptocurrency. So today I'm going to show you how we can transfer the fund we deposited in our last video into our DMT5 account so that we can be able to trade with it on our MT5 application. So once you are signed into your Deriv account, the first thing you need to do is to locate cashier. So once you click on cashier, you will be brought to this page. For those using mobile application, for you to be able to navigate to cashier, you need to click on the hamburger menu and then search for cashier. So once you are here, the next thing you need to do is to select this transfer button. So the transfer form will load up. This is the Deriv internal transfer form. It is the form you use to move funds from one Deriv account into the other. So you know there are different type of Deriv accounts. We have the base currency account, we have a cryptocurrency account, and we also have the MT5 account. So after making deposit, you need to move the fund into your DMT5 account. Usually you will deposit using cryptocurrency or using card into your base currency account or into your cryptocurrency wallet. So in this video we are going to transfer funds from this LTC account. So I'm going to select LTC, and then the destination should be Deriv SVG, which is my DMT5 account. So the next thing is for me to enter the amount of which I want to transfer. I will transfer everything on this LTC account, so I'll click on all, and once I click on this transfer button, the fund is going to be moved from my cryptocurrency wallet account into my DMT5 account, and I can begin trading with it. As you can see, you are going to see a success message. Your funds have been transferred from your LTC wallet into your DMT5 account. So guys, whenever you want to make withdrawal, you need to do the same thing. First, you need to come to cashier, then click on transfer, and then come. Because this fund now is on DMT5 account, we need to transfer it the other way around. Let me select, okay, we need to transfer it the other way around. I have to remove this from here, select something else so that I will be able to select it here. So because this fund is now on our DMT5 account, if we want to withdraw it, we need to select DMT5 as the source, and then because we are making withdrawal with LTC, we need to select LTC here as well, and then click on all. So once I click on this transfer button, the fund will be moved into my LTC wallet, and I can withdraw this fund into my Binance or Trust Wallet or any other wallet application that I want to use to store the fund or store the assets. So thank you guys. If you have any question, kindly make sure you drop it in the comment section below. I will do my best to attend to it. So see you in the next video.